वास्को पुलीस वेळसावच्या नुस्तेकारांमदी डबल ट्रॅकिंगाच्या नावान झगडे लायता असो आरोप काँग्रेसीच्या वांगड्यांनी केला। दोग जण नुस्तेकारांमदी झगडे जावन एका नुस्तेकाराक 10 जणांनी मारिल्लो। या प्रकरणात त्या 10 जणांक अटक केली। पुराय वेळसावचे लोक काँग्रेसीच्या वांगड्या सयत वास्को न्यायालयात सुनावणे खातीर गेल्ले। सोमारात या 10 जणांक बेल मेळ्ळी। सीसीटीव्ही असून लेगीत पुलीस कांयच कारवाय कित्याक करिना अशें वास्कोच्या काँग्रेस वांगड्याचें म्हणणें।
That also we are strongly condemning, because in solidarity with the fishermen, आमचो leader of the Congress party, Mr. Orville Dorador Rodriguez and Mr. Allenso had gone to the police station. And through one individual starts threatening them, and then comes and assaults Mr. Orville very badly. And they CCTV char poila. The sad part is this is supposed to be the best police station in Goa, and here within 5 meters of where the PI is sitting, thoi tor येवन एक innocent person and a leader of the Congress tajer assault jata. I think so there is something drastically wrong. Here policeman should have acted ice person and act karung na. They are more interested in some other thing and giving a twist saying that it is double tracking issue. Sorry, we condemn this type of things which are being, either it is some pressure coming or some other reasons. आयज पासून ताणें एक्शन घेवंक ना. एक एडवोकेट येवन वन बायस्टँडराक मारता, ताणें कंप्लेन घालें जाल्यार why police have not taken him into custody? The person who has assaulted Mr. Orville should have been taken into custody. And आमकां कळून येता he's got a history of such antisocial element. So this shows that somewhere either police are under pressure or they are acting in a very indifferent manner, in a partial manner.
Police false cases घालून हे जे लोक फिशरमॅन जे डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचे इश्यू घातला, मिक्स केला, जे लोकांक ते डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचेर जे हे एजिटेशन ते लोकांक आज टार्गेट करता. आज जरी तर PIआन पयले आमचे कॅप्टन बाबान सांगला तेजेर एक केस केल्ली म्हूण पयले, जाल्यार हे मनीस इन्स्टिगेट करताले जाल्यार तेंचे कितें एक्शन घेतला घेवंक ना. दे आर ओनली टार्गेटींग पीपल हू केअर अबाउट गोवा. आज जे गोंयचे पासत झुजता ते लोकांक आज टार्गेट करूंक लागले. आज कोर्टान पळय तेंची बेल कितें आसा, क्रिमिनॅलिटी सुरयो मारल्या कितें केला. They should be out that day only on Friday itself. I don't know what is happening. We have full faith in judiciary. I think they should be released. 7 are already released. And 3 jana आता ओडेजांक आर्ग्युमेंट आहा 3 इंच. Dogs are. So the others are released. So we have full faith and the argument will happen. Odezang will get the verdict. What is hopefully they will be released. And we condemn this what has happened, and we are totally behind with the fishermen of Goa.